Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today is learn basic Urdu alphabets, but before that, please don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Without waste your time, okay, let's start. Alif in English alphabet A. Ba in English alphabet B. Pe in English alphabet P. Te in English alphabet T. Te in English alphabet T. Se in English alphabet S. Jim in English alphabet J. Che in English alphabet C. He in English alphabet H. He in English alphabet K. Dal in English alphabet D. Dal in English alphabet D. Zal in English alphabet Z. Re in English alphabet R. Ze in English alphabet Z. Re in English alphabet R. Re in English alphabet R. Ze in English alphabet Z. Seen in English alphabet S. Sheen in English alphabet S. Swat in English alphabet S. Zwat in English alphabet Z. Taw in English alphabet T. Zaw in English alphabet Z. N in English alphabet A. Ghan in English alphabet G. Fe in English alphabet F. Kaf in English alphabet Q, C, K. Gaf in English alphabet G. Lam in English alphabet L. Mim in English alphabet M. Noon in English alphabet N. Vav in English alphabet W. Ha in English alphabet H. दो चश्मी है in English alphabet H. हमजा nothing. ये in English alphabet छोटी है in English alphabet Y. बड़ी है in English alphabet Y. Okay, thanks. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.